Alex here with Tech Corner, here to talk to you about how to go about organizing your Gmail inbox. So let's go ahead and dive in. So here is my Google Gmail inbox, as you can see here, and I want to kind of create folders so I can have things I don't want to have in my inbox just go into a folder specifically. And I will do another segment later on how to create rules in Outlook. But in Gmail, so let's go ahead and click on one of my folders. So what I'm going to do is click on the little dots up here and select an option that says filter messages like this. We're going to go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to do this, skip the inbox, archive it, and then I'm going to add a label. From here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new label. And then you're going to create inbox. And make sure you do it in caps. And what this does is it basically will put this label, like if you use Mail or Outlook, under the inbox itself. So it kind of keeps it all organized. And then I'm going to just call it motion instead of, because I have already another one. So I'm going to go ahead and create filter. And then what you're going to want to do is click this little button at the bottom that says also apply filter to 21 match conversations. Because this way it will move all that out of your inbox and into that specific folder called a label for Gmail. And then there we go. Now let's do YouTube. So we're going to do the same thing for YouTube. So I want to have all these YouTube messages, YouTube video, emails just go into a specific folder. So there we go. We're going to do the same thing. Create filter, skip and archive, create a label, create a new label. Again, inbox and YouTube. And then we're going to hit apply. There we go. And there we go. Now, another use for another use for filters is to go about automatically deleting spam out of your inbox and having it just go straight to the trash. Because sometimes when you hit unsubscribe, even though they're supposed to remove your email, sometimes it seems like it doesn't work. So we're going to go ahead and do one for Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Canva. I'm going to click on filter messages like this. I'm going to click create filter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the option that says delete item. And what this is going to do is it's going to, instead of going, whenever I get emails from Canva, it's going to go automatically into my deleted folders and not even show up in my inbox. So go ahead and click filter, and there we go. So this is how you can go about organizing your Gmail inbox on the web. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.